Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, our discussion will be around Impo Har Biz Sapno Ki Udan. Recently, the women entrepreneurship platform of Niti Aayog launched Impo Har Biz Sapno Ki Udan in participation with New Shop, India's largest 24/7 convenience retail chain under its Award to Reward program. Under this scheme, 50 participants aged 18 to 35 will be selected through an online application process based on specific criteria. Top 20 of these participants will receive a 100% waiver on new shop franchisee fee, empowering them to own and operate their retail businesses with significantly reduced barrier to entry. The program is being launched for women from Delhi NCR, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Women Entrepreneurship Program is an initiative in Niti Aayog in 2018 as an aggregator platform, transitioned into a public-private partnership in 2022. Women Entrepreneurship Program aims at empowering women entrepreneurs by overcoming information asymmetry and providing continuum of supports across different pillars, that is, access to finance, market linkage, training and skilling, monitoring and networking, compliance and legal assistance, and business development services. Now, let's know various provisions for women empowerment in the country. First, fundamental right. Under this, Article 14, right to equality, ensures equality before the law and equal protection of laws for all individuals, including women. Article 51, Clause 1, prohibition of discrimination. It prohibits discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 15, Clause 3, special provision for women and children. Empowers the state to make special provisions for the welfare and advancement of women and children. Article 16, equality of opportunity in public employment. It guarantees equal opportunity for all citizens in public employment irrespective of gender. Second is directive principle of state policy. Under this, Article 39, Clause A, rights to adequate livelihood, directs the state to ensure that women and men have a right to an adequate means of livelihood. Article 39, Clause D, equal pay for equal work. It mandates that men and women receive equal pay for equal work. Article 42, maternity relief, directs the state to make provision for securing just and human condition of work and maternity relief. Article 47, nutrition and public health, directs the state to raise the level of nutrition and improve public health, indirectly benefiting women and children. Third is fundamental duties. Under this, Article 51A, Clause E obligates every citizen to renounce practices that are harmful to the dignity of women. Fourth is reservations and political participations. To ensure women's participation in local self-governance, provision of at least one-third reservation was made for panchayats and municipalities under Article 243D and 243T respectively, which was added by 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 respectively. Another one is one-third of seats to be reserved for women on rotational basis in Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly. It had introduced new articles in the Constitution, that is Article 330A, 332A, 334A and Article 239AA. It was added by 106th Constitutional Amendment Act 2023. Fifth, some legal frameworks and empowerment. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, Dowry Provision Act 1961, Equal Remuneration Act 1976, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, famously known as POSHA Act 2013. And the sixth is Sustainable Development Goal, that is SDG 5. It is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. It aims to end discrimination and violence against women and girls and to ensure they have equal opportunities and rights. Besides this all, there are several schemes of Government of India for women empowerment like Janani Suraksha Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, Integrated Child Development Services, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Stand Up India Scheme and so on. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned to GS Nexus.